how to log out of WhatsApp on any device. So if you want to log out of your WhatsApp on any device, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your WhatsApp application. And as we all know that we don't have a logout option on our WhatsApp application. So what you need to do is go with the three dots, which will be in the top right, and then go with settings. And you need to first backup. So just scroll down, go with chats, and under chats, you will have backup option. Tap on chat backup and then start the backup process. Go with backup, wait for a few seconds or a few minutes, depending on your file, and it will be backed up. Now, once you have backed up your WhatsApp, you need to just go back, tap and hold on to your WhatsApp, go with the app info section. From the app info, here you need to go with storage and cache. And now you need to go with manage space and just delete all of the things that you have right here. Or you may also have an option of delete data or clear data. You can go and clear the data. Or if you don't have that option, then the last way to log out of your WhatsApp is to just uninstall WhatsApp completely. So go and tap on uninstall button, which will be on the middle of your screen. And after uninstalling, again install the WhatsApp application and you will be logged out of your WhatsApp. That's how you can log out of your WhatsApp on any device. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.